Everything is history now. What you're dreaming is not possible. No, I said it is possible. No, I want one roll former to do 20 bags. The reason I call the new generation roll forming is you will not see one roll out there to change. We decided to go more full automatic, running the profiles that doesn't involve any roll change, so it will be faster and superb quality.
In the last 12 months, we've really kind of transformed the business.
This is going to be a state-of-art new generation manufacturing. We decided to make a lot more profiles that give architects a toolbox, almost like Legos. There is no quality compromise. When the architect orders 3-4 different profiles, we can run those 3-4 profiles in the same day, which it used to be 2-3 weeks.
What we're calling next generation roll forming. What that allows us to do and be is much more nimble with multi-product lines than we ever would have expected in a roll forming setting. We not only get to keep all the quality and repeatability of roll forming, but we've lost a lot of that sort of real energy intensive changeovers, whether it's manpower or equipment. What we like about Morin at the minute is that we have a real clear direction on where we want to be. So when we talk about our matrix and integrity and pulse and all that common joinery, all of this is planned for in this facility and planned ahead.
The major benefit of this location will be our ability to manufacture a large product range a lot more efficiently than what we see in our current facilities. As well as improving lead times and efficiency, we will have the ability in this facility to create more customized objects. We'll be able to improve lead times even on highly customizable projects.
So when we work with architects, we want to give them as many solutions as possible. So this facility with the new technology allows us to be way more custom, allows us to kind of think outside the box and sit down with an architect and see what they really want.
Planet Passionate is our group-wide sustainability program. And we cannot think about the future of Morin without thinking about the future of the planet. This is why this facility uses 100% renewable energy, and by the end of the year, we will achieve zero waste to landfill status. What we expected this facility to be is the new standard for Morin.
We want to be more efficient, we want to be more nimble, and we want to have less opportunities for mistakes. Previously in each of our other pieces of equipment, there's a lot of tearing down between products and rebuilding for a next product. In this facility, not a single mill needs to be open from one product to another. What that does is it significantly decreases the margin of operator error when we're making changes and changing products. Arkansas are very good for businesses. There's lots of incentives to come here and to set up facilities here, and we find them be really, really helpful to work with, especially the local Economic Development Committee. Seeing what we can do when we work as a team and butt heads together, and that's probably my proudest moment since I joined Morin. So we had our sales meeting here a few weeks ago, and I think there was a genuine appreciation for the work that had been going on behind the scenes to deliver a facility like this. Yeah, it's quite warming and rewarding when you see the company as a whole appreciate that effort and then all going well, deliver to good service and good panel.
You can see in next 10 years, you won't see any old way of roll forming, roll changing. It will be all in the same line, without changing any rolls.
And it's really exciting. I want to be part of that. I want to make this business 2-3 times the size, but do it in the right manner and the right way.
This will be the first of 3 new planned manufacturing facilities for Morin. It will also feature some of our new technology in roll forming, which will be a key aspect of what we do going forward. I think this level of investment is something that we will see again fairly soon. And for me personally, I think it is extremely rewarding for the hard work that we as a team have put in to being able to get to this point where we can build something like this. And I think the market is going to be the major benefactor from it. This is another chapter in Morin's proud history and something we can all be proud of. We're excited to be a manufacturer based here in Little Rock, Arkansas, and we look forward to welcoming many guests here over the years.
Morin, I think, was the leader to get the industry moving, the architectural business more. We are in the residential area, we're schools, in hospitals, airports, and convention centers. We are architects' dream, but manufacturers' nightmare. So that is what we are trying to eliminate, to get rid of that nightmare for manufacturing.